Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one, and welcome to another Sunday morning vibes. Yeah, Dancehall bring the Sunday morning vibes just to start off the Sunday good, you know. Normally, I would bring to you a church vibes on a Sunday, but this time, we're going to switch it up a little this time, you see me? This time, we're going to talk about the thing that is known as breadfruit, you see me? Yeah, breadfruit. And viewers and subscribers, this edition of Sunday Morning Vibes, it's about the things I might not know about breadfruit. You see me? Now I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. And these videos, you know, they have been out there for some time, you see me? And you know, some of the things what happen still is surprising to a lot of persons out there. You see what I'm saying? You know, I'm going to show you these videos and you can tell me what you think. You see what I say? No, the first video I'm going to show you is about something that persons found in a breadfruit. Alright, now take a look and observe.
This can't real.
To read, it's can't read.
No.
First time.
So just take a look on these people.
Right?
Breadfruit, you know. Breadfruit, but not talk about jackfruit that might look like jackfruit too, no. But a breadfruit.
First
See
time
there? See the skin there?
there?
See the skin there? And see what in there?
Yeah, real.
Seed in there. Look there.
There is no way.
Okay.
A breadfruit, but how is it breadfruit and seed in it?
Okay, so me I dig up one there. See the skin there?
Yeah, they got no one here. Let them put the breadfruit
See
and seed in it.
That's a one seed. Now go watch it again. I want there. Okay. Seed in a breadfruit. My grandfather, how much him years old, I never see this.
Never see this summer born.
From him born, I never see this.
When you come back?
Saturday.
See there?
We have to go for your seed back?
Yeah.
You know,
Breadfruit with seed.
Oh, I just
In
Saturday
a
morning,
it.
you come and say, yam breadfruit, we like.
See there? Breadfruit, people. Breadfruit
TV.
with seed in
You
a
don't
it.
watch no TV.
Alright, watch
No
it.
TV, you don't watch it.
Renee, watch it. See me I dig up. Watch it. See there now?
So I'm
I
one
saw seed in there.
Yeah.
Watch it. I dig me dig yourself now. I find this you know.
Down at the
Watch
bottom.
it. No man.
No,
No.
when I see the careful, go say I want.
Oh, and it smell like cashew, people. See there up close. Smell like cashew.
Show your mother.
You not sure? No, people.
No, you don't want to watch no
Breadfruit.
You get too much
One
stuff.
river start, we
Watch it. Alright, me I dig here so and watch it. We down one next seed.
See them as well.
Watch it. Look how far my finger there. People. And I want seed me I go carry up. Watch it. See there? See there? One more seed. Which breadfruit will ever exist here?
It's not a breadfruit, it's a breadfruit brother.
No, that's my cousin, no family for breadfruit. This weird.
I want him to be there, because we for sure.
No man, this not right.
Viewers and subscribers, yeah. Seed in breadfruit. Really and truly, may I tell you the truth, that's not nothing new to me though. You see what I say to you? I always hear about it. I never actually find a seed in a breadfruit for myself. I never actually see that, but at the same time, I always hear about them thing there. You see what I say to you? And when it comes down to fruit, still I always expect to see seed in fruit. You see me? And you know, come to think of it, when we look at the breadfruit now, you see the heart of the breadfruit, I always notice some little grainy thing, like, and off of the heart, you know, the middle thing will come from off of the part of the fruit, in the fruit itself. When you cut the fruit open, that's the part most Jamaican love to cut out of the middle of the breadfruit, you know, saying that that part is called the heart also. Maybe that is what, you know, just grow big, you know, or maybe the breadfruit itself just decide for, you know, every now and then bear a fruit that has the seed, and then that same seed bring another breadfruit tree, you see me? Yeah, because I wonder how is it that the breadfruit don't have any seed, but yet still the breadfruit tree grow. So who knows? But anyways, yeah. Oh yeah, and one more thing, viewers and subscribers. There's one thing me kinda say wrong in our way. You see me I say? Yeah. Well, it depends. You see, if what I'm looking at, take a look at this picture. You see, if what I'm looking at in this picture is actually what I think it is, then something like that should not be around anything near food items. You see me? Anything like bug spray or anything that is poisonous shouldn't be nowhere near anything you're going to eat, like food or so forth. As a matter of fact, it shouldn't be anywhere just out there like that. It should be placed at a safe location within the house or outside. You see me? Alright, so we're gonna move on to the next video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and this video is about someone eating the breadfruit raw. Yeah, eating the breadfruit raw, but really and truly though, that's not nothing new to me either, you see me? Because if you allow a breadfruit to fully ripe, you know, even when you roast it after it full ripe, you can actually taste the sweetness in it same way. You see me? And it kind of soft and nice, sweet. To me, it's even better for me to make certain fritters or certain fried things with it. As I said to you, yeah. But I'm gonna show you this video right about now, and then we'll talk a little bit more. All right? Yeah. Here's the video. Take a look and observe.
Hello there, beautiful people. So today I'm going to be showing you how to eat this beautiful breadfruit, and in Hawaii it's known as the ulu. And this is the Hawaiian variety. This is how it looks. This one had fallen from the tree just today and it was perfectly ripe, so I decided to show y'all how to eat it and what it looks like and what it tastes like. So I'm just going to be cutting this down the middle, and the breadfruit is very nutritious and it's known as the staple in Hawaiian diets in the past. So you can use breadfruit at all different stages of ripeness. So when it's not ripe, you can steam it, you can bake it, all types of things. And you can even dehydrate it and turn it into flour. So when it's ripe though, you can just eat it as it is, or you can turn it into like a pancake type thing. But this is how it looks on the inside when it's ripe. It's very a gooey texture. I'll show you here. Gooey like this, and it's kind of like durian almost, the texture, and it's very sweet, it's very dense. This is the stem. I'm just going to take out. It has these little hair things on there, kind of furry. You don't want to eat that, it's not good. It's really good. Really gooey and sweet. Okay. So today I'm actually going to be eating it with some sriracha, because everything tastes good with sriracha. I like to just kind of squirt it on here, like that. And then I like to just eat it with a spoon as it is. Just scoop it like this. That's good. It's really good when you refrigerate it. Make it cold. And that's a good way to store it when it's ripe, so that it doesn't go bad. Just store it in the fridge. Ah, this is gooey. Hard. Kind of hard to swallow.
Well, you can't say me never tell your viewers and subscribers, you know. The breadfruit that I'm looking at what the person is eating, you know, it's raw, but it's ripe to my understanding, you see me? Yeah, but anyways, yeah, viewers and subscribers, me bring these videos so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. And you don't know me Dancehall skill, I'm just try to start off the Sunday morning with a good vibes. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, these two videos had been out on social media for some time, viewers and subscribers, you know, but you know, just in case if persons out there might not have seen something like this, me just bring it and just to keep you up to date and posted anyways. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, so let me know what you think about what you have seen in these two videos, alright? And this is where me leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and don't forget to read the comments, because some of the times my viewers and subscribers leave some comments in the comment section that can be very informative. And if you need to contact the Dancehall, just read the description down below the video. And as always, Dancehall always there, so to keep you up to date and posted. I think I said that already. But anyways, alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.